Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is for anyone with loved ones who need to be checked on. What I mean by that is, if your loved one is sick or recovering from an injury or disabled and they can't easily get to the phone, then I have a way for you to stay in contact with them using the Amazon Echo Dot. I currently use this method to stay in touch with my family back in the US. I can call them wherever I am as long as I have internet connection. We're gonna do a deep dive in how I use Amazon Echo and Alexa to stay in contact. You can use this for your loved ones. You can easily stay in contact with them. The feature we're gonna use today is called Drop-In. Drop-In is a feature that is included in all Amazon Echo Dots. It allows you to just drop in and use the Amazon Echo like a two-way radio, like a walkie-talkie that you can both talk and listen to at the same time. The microphone is really good. It picks up quite far, and the built-in microphone works really well, so the other person on the other side can just use it hands-free while you talk on the cell phone side. But I'll go through all of that. I'll demo it. But first, let's dive in. So let's go ahead and get the Alexa app set up so I can show you how to use this drop-in feature. Let's dive right in. So you'll want to go to your app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, and you need to search for Amazon Alexa app. So go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and open the app. Once the app is open, it will ask you to sign in, and you can simply just use your Amazon account to sign in. Once that's been set up, you'll get to this page here. Once you're signed in, you'll click the plus sign on the top right, select device, go ahead and select Amazon Echo and Echo Dot. This will bring up a prompt. Go ahead and hit yes, and then it's going to begin searching for your device. Go ahead and hit select the device and wait for it to connect. It will use your saved Wi-Fi settings. So just wait for that to find your Wi-Fi. Once the app has connected to your Wi-Fi, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. It will help you set up the app. And then once that's been completed, we can then move to the next prompt. Alright, once that's been added, you should then be able to refresh the app, and then there you go. You'll see your Amazon Echo Dot added. And now I will demo this drop-in feature for you, and you'll see exactly how that works. So this is what I really love about this device. Select devices, and then you'll see your Echo device here. Click there, and then a drop in.
Hey guys, hello. Audio check 1 2, drop in check. This is an Amazon Echo Dot check 1 2. Hey guys, how are you doing? 1 2. Echo Dot check 1 2. Can you guys hear me?
Hopefully you found that video helpful. Hopefully you see some value in the Amazon Echo. It allows me to stay in contact with my loved ones. I can easily get a hold of my parents. So guys, if you thought that video was helpful, please consider giving me a like and subscribe. It really helps me out tremendously, and I will see you guys in the next video.